What it is it's some longevity, right? So you'll see certain things happen that occur as expected. It's the best analogy I have for this is probably something like you can tell that someone is upset without them telling you they're upset. You've been around them a lot. It's very hard to do that when you've just met the person. But over time, you start to see that something's off here. Something just isn't right. And that's what I get. Oftentimes, it's a stop out. Like like this morning. So like this IB high drop walks right through the IB low. So this is not a great IB low, right? So I'm not going to pay too much attention to this IB low. Goes down, liquidity check right at the overnight low, pushes up, higher low, pushes up. You have a collision. To me, this is like one of the setups we talk about in the accelerator program. To me, this is, for example, didn't really do it properly, but it gave you very, very short opportunity to get long on this liquidity check. Nothing about this structure tells me that I should be structurally short at this point. So it's really just looking for scalps. So that's the setup. Retest higher low. Just because it put in a higher low on its own is not enough, but it gave me what I need to get long. Now, if I get long and I notice that it's just petering out and it's just petering out and it's coming back into the range and it's going back up and it looks like it's going to work, and that's not what I'm looking for. That trade is simply looking for those who came in and jumped, those who came in are in, those who came in on the retest, on the pullback for lower lows are likely trapped. And if those guys start getting squeezed, then everybody else that came in on this bigger drop, this impulse down, are likely to get squeezed. So what am I expecting here? I'm expecting this thing to move quickly. It might chop for a minute or two here and create a zipper, but I'm looking for somebody to pick up and start ripping. If it doesn't do that, it tells me that I need to stand aside. There's something wrong with this structure. There's something wrong with this trade, right? And if I see it multiple times in a day, it tells me that the market doesn't have the participants in it that I need to have in order to profit from that kind of a movement. So I start to reconsider outside in trades, which is what this is.